Visa gift cards, your online shopping companion.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a highly relevant topic for all those who love online shopping. Which online retailers accept Visa gift cards for payment? Visa gift cards can be a convenient way to shop online, especially if you're looking for flexibility and ease of use.
What is a Visa gift card?
To start, a Visa gift card is a prepaid card that can be used to purchase goods or services anywhere that Visa debit or credit cards are accepted. They work similarly to debit cards, except that they're not linked to a personal bank account. Rather, they are preloaded with a set amount of money which can be spent until the balance reaches zero.
Can I use Visa gift cards for online shopping?
The answer is a resounding yes. You can use Visa gift cards for online purchases at most online retailers. That said, not all online retailers accept Visa gift cards, so it's always a good idea to check the payment methods accepted by each retailer before you attempt to make a purchase.
Which online retailers accept Visa gift cards?
Here's a non-exhaustive list of major online retailers that usually accept Visa gift cards. 1. Amazon 2. eBay 3. Walmart 4. Target 5. Best Buy 6. Apple 7. Home Depot. Remember, while these retailers generally accept Visa gift cards, it's always wise to verify each retailer's current payment policies as they may vary or change over time.
How to use Visa gift cards online?
Using your Visa gift card online is simple. 1. Check the card balance. Ensure your gift card has enough funds to cover the total cost of your purchase, including any taxes and shipping fees. 2. Register your card. Some retailers require the card to be registered with a billing address before they accept it for online purchases. This can usually be done on the card issuer's website. 3. Checkout. Enter your Visa gift card information just like you would a regular debit or credit card during the checkout process. So, there you have it, folks. A lot of popular online retailers do accept Visa gift cards for payment. It's a great way to use a gift or reward, or simply to manage your spending. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy online shopping with your Visa gift cards.